We're gonna set up our new gear feeder motor into our box. We got the ground and the ground. Give this a little testy poo. Ground and hot. Turns on. Perfect. So now this here. Shit. This had a little tab on it that told me which was the hot and which was the ground. Guess we're just gonna play games. And we're gonna test it to make sure that the motor runs. Either we blow up a battery or we make it happen. All right. Test 2. Ground and hot. We're on. Let's grab this and let's set it first. Oh, fuck's sakes. No. Ugh. Okay, let's not fuck around here. Get these back in here. I didn't know that was gonna happen. Maybe these were meant to stay on here. Round 2. Ground, hot. Alright, we're hot. We're gonna give it a test. Perfect. Get this set up. This will get mounted up in the center of the box. I'll do my best at finding the center. 7 inches, so 3.5, 5.5, so 2 3/4. There's my center. We're gonna give ourselves a measurement to what these bolts are at. Alright. And boom. Ain't much more I can do but hope. I think this step bit will suffice for the hole. Five eighths, one more. Woo! Careful when using the drill. It'll take your fucking hands off. Pretty damn close, huh? Moment of truth? It's gonna fit? Oh, fuck. Never right. I should have, Woo! Oh, doggy. I have a little bit of an idea. If I widen these holes just a tad, I might be able to make it happen. Make the initial hole wider. I think that might do. nice and tight. This one right here is going to go to the battery. Now the solar charge controller can go mounted, but I think I'm just going to throw it in the box for the time being. Motor's in, timer's in. Get the battery in there. Then we do the battery first, which will be this guy to the battery. So then we'll take these, throw these on here. Black to black, red to red. So get them in. White's gonna be our hot. Here's our hot load. Let's make sure it works. Battery turns on, perfect. And then last we'll connect the panel, but the panel we'll connect it outside. Take our battery, then load. So load, put that up in there. And then the last thing will be the solar panel, which is here. And our solar panel is here, but we're gonna connect that to the feeder. Let's put these caps back on the battery. Safety first, huh? Battery's capped back up. This guy back on. There's gonna be something else we're gonna need to do here. I only happen to have this one collar that goes on here. Now the problem with this collar is it's got this tiny little hole. I am going to try to bore out this hole with a drill bit. Lock and pliers. Nice little bored hole. Still got threads on that end. Back to this guy here. Whoop. I think a little taparoo. Got the set screw. She's a beaut. Now we got it all set and screwed. Now that that's in there, let's put our plate back on. Screw this on in there. Grab the bottom with some channel locks. And screw away. I'm so excited. The solar panel goes connected onto the feeder with two self-tappers. And it's connected onto the solar controller with two lever nuts. Here's what the solar controller looks like, and and it tells you what the connections go out to. This is what the inside of the box looks like, ready to go. And last of all, here we are with the feeder in action. Happy hunting, everybody.